An official way and an unofficial way to convert from percent to decimal. Just remember the conversion factors 100% equals 1. So if I wanted to convert this officially 95% into a decimal, what I have to do is I have to multiply by 1 over 100%. And you're like, well, what does this mean? Well, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel out the signs here, the percent to percent, and then this then becomes 95 over 100, and then that's easy to convert to a decimal because then that's 0.95, okay? Then let's take another example, say this 50%. We are going to convert it, use this conversion factor. We want to cancel out the percent, so whatever we try to cancel out, we're going to put on the bottom typically. So we're going to put 100% on the bottom, and that's equivalent to 1 as a decimal. Now, what cancels? The percent signs cancel. Yay! So then this would be 50 times 1 up top, which is going to be 50, and then 100 on the bottom. So, as a decimal, that would be 0.5. That's the official way. Let's go unofficial real quick. Let's say you got 73%. Guess what, man? If we want to convert the decimal, just go whack the percent sign, move the decimal 2 places to the left. That would then be 0.73. Let's try with another one. Let's say you got 1.5%. Okay, I want to basically convert that from the percent to a decimal, whack the percent symbol, move the decimal 2 places to the left. Okay, so that would be 0.015. Easy breezy, baby.